and welcome. This is a video to show you the changes in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2013. First, to get started, click on the Start, find Microsoft Office 2013 if you already don't have a shortcut on your desktop, and then select PowerPoint 2013. When opening the program, an immediate noticeable change is the first page of having to select a type of presentation to use. If you're interested in a template, you can click on any of these over here. If you have an existing one and you've already used the program a few times, you'll have your recent presentations over on the left side. If you'd like to search for a specific template that you don't see here, you can search up here at the top. For now, I will click on one of these templates. I'm going to click this green one here. Once you click on one, you'll notice that there is a color scheme you can select. You can select any of these, and then you also have more images that you can go through and click through at the bottom. And that gives you an idea of what your presentation will look like. Once you chose the one you want, you can click on Create. Once you're in, you'll notice that the ribbon is pretty much the same at the top. You still have your tabs to click through. And if you just decide that you don't like the template you chose, you could still change your theme beneath the Design tab. You still have a Quick Access toolbar located here at the top. You can change the items that you have there by clicking on the little drop down. If you hover your mouse over it, it'll say Customize Quick Access Toolbar. The ones that have a check mark are the ones displayed there. If you choose to remove it, you can simply click it and it will uncheck it. Or if you want to add it back, click it again, and then you'll notice there's a check mark there, and plus it adds it. The most important difference is the File tab. Located in the top left, click on File. You'll notice that you have the info, New, if you want to select a new, even a new blank presentation if you'd wish, or a new template, either one. If you need to open an existing one, you can disregard the OneDrive and add a place locations. The ones you'll pretty much be using is the recent. You'll have recent ones listed here, or you can select Computer. You have Documents listing, Desktop, or you can simply click on Browse. If you click on Browse, it will open up a window, and then you can search or browse to a USB location if that's where you may have it stored. The same thing goes for Save. You can click on Computer, you'll have your recent locations, and click on Browse if you need to save to a USB. The Print option is located under File. You have your print preview here on the right side. Your settings are listed over here on the left. Once you are done in the File menu, you can click on the arrow that's pointing to the left at the top left corner, and it'll go back to the presentation. One of the main differences in this version is that you have an enhanced presenter view. Whenever you are going to present a slide, let me open a document that has a couple of different slides. So I'm going to click on File, click on New, and there's a welcome that PowerPoint already has here. But what I was saying a second ago is there's an option called Presenter View. You can turn it on and off by clicking on the Slideshow tab, and then this option here, Use Presenter View. If it's checked, it will use it. If it's unchecked, it will not. So I have it checked. I'm going to do a slideshow. Now if you're using a laptop with a projector, the projector will show your slide only. It shows what is displayed right here on the left side. For you as the presenter, if you are on a laptop, you are seeing the screen here. This is your slide that the viewers are looking at. You also have your next slide here so you know what's upcoming. You have a notes section. If you add your notes beneath each slide, your notes will display here. And again, your viewers will not see this page. You also have a timer that will show, and you can pause it or stop here at the left. You can use your laser pointers, like if you're wanting to point out something right here, and the viewers will see this going across your screen. If you want to circle something, you can do that as well. You can change on your screen by clicking See All Slides, and it will change your screen here. It does not change for the viewers. They are still looking at the same Welcome to PowerPoint slide. If you're in the middle of it and you decide you do not like presenter view, you can also click on display settings at the top and just click on duplicate slideshow and see that it updates. This is what they were seeing a few minutes ago, the viewers. Now to get out of that, I'm just going to click on escape to stop the slideshow. Looking back at your slides, there is a new user interface with a different kind of pane view. You can click on the slide that you want to change if you need to edit it. I'm going to click on slide 2, right click, and you'll see an option, format background, and it will show options here on the right. You can adjust anything on this slide in real time without having to go back and forth between opening and closing the different panes to see your changes. So if you need to edit the shape or anything, you can do the fill here. If you need to edit text, you can click on text options and change the effects there. And it'll all be in real time without having to open and close your window pane. Also, just as in Word 2013, you have alignment guides. And this is with pictures. You can align objects or text in a slide. So if I click on this picture, notice that there are dotted red lines that pop up to kind of show you aligning the pictures together, or with the text to show you where you're at to keep everything in line. If you need to insert images, there is a feature of doing it through online pictures. If you click on the insert tab at the top, click on online pictures, it brings up a Bing image search. You can type in computers, hit enter, you'll have results from the web that you can choose, and easily click insert. The file will be downloaded and added. One last feature is that you can export your presentation into an MP4 video. This will allow others to watch the presentation on a lot of media players and devices, including like student phones. So to do this, you can click on File at the top left, go down to Export, and then choose the option Create a Video. You can change the options here: computer and HD displays, or internet and DVD, or portable devices. You can choose if you want to use your recorded timings and narrations if you want, and change the seconds spent here, and click on Create Video. And it'll be changed to an MP4. Name it, and then click Save. And of course, pay attention to the file location that you're saving it to. So that's it. If you have any specific questions, just contact the help desk at extension 1515. Thank you.